Hey everyone, this is Holly and this is FeetFinder.com. So you're looking for a creative, captivating, fun, amazing bio? No problem, got you covered right here. Here are some amazing ideas for your About Me section or your bio in FeetFinder.com. Elegant and alluring feet await you. Step into a world where elegance meets temptation. Discover the beauty of my perfectly pedicured feet and indulge of the art of foot worship. Let's create captivating moments together. Your foot goddess awaits. Enter the realm of worship and adoration. As your foot goddess, I offer a sanctuary where your foot desires are cherished. Immerse yourself in the ethereal beauty of my feet and let me guide in an unforgettable journey. Elegant souls, captivating stories. Indulge in the narratives written by the soles of my feet. Each photo tells a tale of seduction, sensuality, and the art of foot of fascination. Immerse yourself in the intricate details and let your imagination run wild. Curves, grace, and elegance. Discover the mesmerizing allure of my delicate arches, perfectly painted toenails, and enchanting curves. Immerse yourself into a world of elegance and grace as you explore my collection of captivating feet, videos, and photos. A haven for foot connoisseurs. Welcome to a sanctuary built for foot connoisseurs seeking beauty, elegance, and satisfaction. Unveil the secrets of my perfectly sculpted feet as you delve into a collection of breathtaking visuals designed to capture and enthrall. Foot artistry in every step. Witness the intricate artistry of my feet with every step I take, from the subtle curves to the softest touch. My photos showcase a delicate balance between elegance and desire. Join me on this journey of foot-inspired enchantment, where fantasy meets reality. Step into a world where fantasies take shape and dreams become reality. Immerse yourself in the realm of my exquisite feet where pleasure, passion, and fascination intertwine. Let me be your guide on this unforgettable foot odyssey. And obviously, feel free to personalize these into your own words and kind of how you would say it. Stay authentic and capture yourself and the essence of what makes you, you. And if you guys want more FeetFinder, subscribe to this video. And I'll see you guys in the next one.